session. This is SAMBUINFORX, Sambuin Forex. In these are tutorials. I'll be teaching you guys when to buy and when to sell. I hope you understand when to buy and when to sell. Basically, what you need to know is that forex trading is all about buying and selling of currency pairs. It must not be currency pairs, it can be international pairs, it can be energies, it can be metals, it can be forex pairs, it can be cryptocurrencies, it can be whatever thing you know. But what you have to know is that forex it has to do with buying and selling of currency pairs. Looking at the chart we have here, let's take the 10 currency pair. That's euro CAD, the euro dollar, the European currency versus the Canadian currency. So we take chart. Alright, this is where we are, this is where we go. I will be teaching you guys on how to I'll teach you guys when to buy and when to sell. I hope you understand. Let me delete all these things so that it won't confuse you. Because when there are many, it's going to confuse you. Let me delete all of them so that one will not confuse you. Alright, when to buy and when to sell. Like I said, forex is all about buying and selling of currency pairs or buying and selling of or in the international foreign market. So one thing you have to know is that to buy and to sell, there must be a support and resistance. Support is when falling price stops and begins to rise. We call it support. And resistance is when rising price stops and begins to fall. I hope you understand this concept. Don't misinterpret them. So it means that resistance occurs when the rising price stops and begins to resistance occurs when the rising price stops and begins to fall, and the support occurs when falling price stops and begins to increase. Now, when do you buy and when do you sell? Basically, the simplest thing you have to know here is that you buy at the beginning of a support and you sell at the beginning of a resistance. Those are the best points for you to trade. If you look at the chart, this chart trading is all about doing analysis using chart. If I look at this chart, I'm going to see that this chart has fallen. This chart has fallen too much. It has fallen from this euro CAD, the European currency versus the Canadian currency. It has fallen from if you look at this point at my left, those points from 1.4449.5 to it has fallen from 1.4449.5 to about it has fallen down to 1.42479. We say the market has decreased. You understand? So when do you buy? So basically, if you were to buy here, this is where you are going to buy. I hope you understand. That's where you have to buy. If you were to buy, this is where you have to buy. Why I have put that dot? So you buy at that particular point, so that when the market begins to increase, you will be making profit. I hope you understand. So let me try to link these 2 points so you see what I'm trying to say here. If I link these 2 points together, let's see what we are going to have if I link the points together. Let me link the points together and see what we are going to have. Is okay? Alright. Here we go. Here we are. Alright, here we are. Let me just try to bring a point down here. Is being stubborn. However, it's okay. Let me take a different one so that we can be faster with this aspect. Okay. So if you buy at that particular point, when the market begins to increase and go up, you are making profit. Remember, this is where you buy. This is where you buy here. That's where you buy. Yeah, inside that circle, that's where you buy. So if you buy any point around that circle, you are in profit. I hope you understand. Anywhere around that circle, whether they have drawn that line going up, you are making profit. So when you buy at that particular point and the market begins to go up, you are in deep profit. In fact, you are making profit. You will be a millionaire. That's the 4-hour time frame. That's the 1 hour time frame. If I take 1 hour, the 4-hour time frame, you see this was a very big trading strategy to place a buy here. I hope you understand. So normally forex trading is not difficult. Many people always take trade on 5-minute time frames, 1 hour time frame. For instance, if I take the chart to 1 hour, this is what it gives for 1 hour time frames. I have just zoomed it for you to see. I have zoomed it for you to see and appreciate the time frame. I hope you understand. I have zoomed it for you to understand and see the time. You see how it has fallen. Normally, for you to appreciate this, you can do this in the computer to appreciate the chart. And if I bring it back to a 4-hour time frame, this is what we are going to have for a 4-hour time frame. This is what we are going to have. This, I hope you understand. You see, this is what we are going to have for a 4-hour time frame. This is what we are going to have for a 4-hour time frame. I hope you understand. And many other traders also take 5-minute time frame. They manipulate with a 1-minute time frame, and some even go to the point of taking 1-minute time frame to analyze charts. So you see what it gives you. But for me, I also like to analyze my trade on 4-hour time frame because it explains to you what is happening in the market for a very long period of time, for a very long scenario. You can as well do your analysis using the monthly time frame, and you can use your analysis using the weekly time frame, using the daily time frame as a whole. So the best criteria for you to trade here is to place a buy because the market has fallen. So that there's a circle up there at the far top right, if something like a plus sign, you hit on that button, you are going to see this. The market will go to this particular point. Where you see this, I am trying to change. That's 0.01. all right. In this trade, there are many aspects. You can put 1, you can put 0.01, but for now let me put 0.01. Since we have analyzed the market, we are expecting that the market is going to go up. Remember, forex is all about speculation, and when you do the right speculation, you make profit, and when you do the wrong speculation, you are making loss. So for instance, since you have done a speculation, our analysis, we are going to place our buy here. So let's wait the mark for the trade to be executed. All right, the trade has been executed. That's a loss side of 0.01. So if I come back again to this chart and I go back to where I said earlier, and instead to place 0.01 here, I put okay, let me change and put 1. So I will change and put 1 there, so we are going to see. So here is 1. I hope you understand. So I've put 1. So I've put 1 there. I've placed a buy. I'll place a buy and let's see. Let's wait for the trade to be executed. So what do you observe? You are going to observe that we have placed a trade of 1 and we have placed a trade of 0.01. This is what we call loss sizes. Normally they have to move differently. They move, the rate at which they move will be different. I hope you understand. There are different loss sizes. The other one of 1 is a standard loss size, and the trade of buy 0.01 is a micro loss size. I hope you understand. We have many loss size. We have standard loss size, we have micro loss size, we have mini loss size. I hope you understand. So this is what we call micro loss size and the standard loss size. That's how you execute trade. For you to understand this properly and all details, I have already uploaded a video on that. So make sure you download. Make sure you watch my video on how to calculate loss sizes and my videos on how to calculate loss sizes, and my video that I uploaded, I will document it on some doing forex laws of forex trading. You can check in my videos. That video has made available. It will explain to you how the variation of these lot sizes will affect your trading capacity. I hope you understand. So that was a case when to buy. Using this same chart, I will also explain us to you when we are to sell here. Remember, I said we sell at the beginning of a resistance, and resistance occurs when rising price stops and begins to fall. Normally, let me place a dot here so that you can appreciate it. Normally, at this particular point, let me place a dot there so you can appreciate it. At this particular point here, what you see here, at this particular point, let me place this dot here so you can see it. Yeah, at this particular point here. Yeah, at that particular point, normally if you were at that particular point and you did your analysis and calculated the market was to increase, it means that at this particular point, as the market has increased, beginning from that point right down to this point here, as the market have increased right down to this point here, you see the market has increased from that top, from this top here, this top that you see here, the market has increased from this top you see here right down to the bottom where you see this is the bottom somewhere around here. The bottom is somewhere you observe. So it means that if you place your trade initially at this top point, it means that as the market keep increases, when the market must have arrived at this particular point, you have made much money. So it means that if you were monitoring this trade from the very beginning and you were at this particular point, and inside somewhere around this point you were expecting that the market was going to decrease or market price was going to fall, and you place a sell trade here. To sell means to go short and to buy means to go long. So if you place a trade here, sell, that means you are shorting the trade. When the trade must have moved all that long line, the red line, when you see red line, it means the line, the market price is selling. How you understand? Normally the blue line stands for buy. So when the market must have reached here, you must have made huge amount of money. Since we already placed a buy for this trade, let me take another trade so you can appreciate the concept of sell. I hope you understand. Let me take this. Okay, let's take the currency pair USD versus Japanese yen, JPY. USD versus JPY, the last currency pair there. So the last currency pair there, we are comparing the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Basically, from this trade, when I see this trade, I already know the trade is going to be a sell, but I will not explain this in this video because I'm already seeing a double. There are many skills in forex trading. When you use many combined stuffs, you'll be a profitable trader. In this concept of forex trading, I'm seeing already a double top. Normally, a double top scenario. This is a double top. I'm seeing a double top scenario here. You can see one top here, and this is a second top here. So this forms a double top. You understand? This is a double top scenario. I will explain that in the other video. Not to make this video so long, I'll be explaining what double top scenario and what double bottom scenario. There are many double top, double bottom, triple top, triple bottom, shoulder top, shoulder down. I'll be showing. I'll be explaining all those things in that video. Just stay tuned for my videos, as I will be documenting them any moments from now. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share, like, comment. Let me see your question and I will answer to you directly. Alright, for purpose of the video, also I will leave my Telegram community link for you if you want to join my community ring. My Telegram community link, I will put them down there. I do share signal. Finally, let's go to what we have for today. So when to sell? Like I said, at this particular point, the market has gone. The market has been high. Let me say so. The market price have risen. You get the point. I'm seeing a very high price up there. So at this price, if you see the market price has been going up, coming down, going up, coming down. Let me put it this way so that you can see. So you see the market price has been going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, This is a 4-hour time frame. I hope you understand. This one is a 4-hour time frame. So we're trading this one on using a 4-hour time frame. The market has been going up, coming down, going up, coming down. And if I take the daily frame also, let me see the daily time interval. If I take the daily time interval at this particular point, let me see what the market will give us. So the market is yeah, this is what the market is given for the moment using the our daily time frame. Normally you do higher time frames, it becomes very easy to trade forex market. But if you trade forex with 1 minute time frames, yeah, some people do trade 1 minute time frames. I'm not against that. What I want you to know in this strategy is the strategy that pays, a strategy that pays you like a forex trader. So you always trade on a higher time frame. At least lowest time frame should be 1 hour time frame, and higher time frame should be you can use the monthly frame, monthly time frame, weekly time frame, and 4-hour time frame. What reason why I don't mostly like the 1 hour, the 5 minute, this is a 5 minute time frame. As you can see, you need to be online. You need to be online. It's good for scalping. You need to be online for instant trade and instant withdrawal. You don't have to trade and for instant go elsewhere. You have to be monitoring your trade because it is a risky. You haven't studied the market for long. You have studied the market just for within short period of time, and it's not probable at times to trade using a short period of time. Even just from this 1 hour time frame, I know the market is going to go down. You understand? The market is from that point. It means the market is going to go down from here. The market is going to go down and reach at least this particular point here. So at that particular point, you have to place sell. So that's why I say placing your trade even with the lower time frame is not the problem. But the problem is that you have to be online. You have to be online. So it's not always advisable to play your trade also in a smaller time frame. Let's see what the trade gives in a 1 minute time frame. This is what the trade gives in 1 minute time frame. The 5 minute time frame confirm a sell confirmation. You understand? Even the 1 minute time frame confirm that. But had it been you didn't picture this from 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame, you may be making a mistake. So it's always good to go to the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame and higher time frame like the monthly time frame and the weekly time frame, and look for the direction of the market. Then when you come to lower time frame, you look for trading opportunities. So we are on 4-hour time frame. I always trade my trade on that. So from there, I observe that the market is going to decrease. So from this particular point to this particular point, it should be a very big opportunity for me to go short. Remember, I said go short means go is to sell. I've already explained a video that talks on all those aspects in a video I titled Sambuin Forex Trading Made Simple Overview. You can check that in my videos. You can get all those things. You can check that. You have all those things. I have already explained them, well documented. Remember, this is the best channel for you to learn the real forex trading. Any other channel you may know, they may not be explained to you the risk keys that you have to know as compared to this channel. So do what to hit the subscribe button so that when coming videos will be uploaded, you'll be the first to be notified. So this is where we are. So I want to put a line here and show you if the market is going to decrease or is what we are going to observe. So generally, if the market will decrease at that particular point, let's see. If the market will decrease at that particular point, let's say the market will decrease at that particular point, let's see. So I'm explaining the market should decrease from that particular point up to this down point. I hope you understand. So if the market decreases from this particular point and reaches at this particular point, oh my God, we are billionaires. You must have made a huge amount of money. So beginning just from this analysis of chart, trading a chart, I know they do say have indicators, have this one. I'm not against indicators, but those indicators are just support. The main aspect of trading is trading with charts. Chart is the main trading. Remember that double top there. It's a scenario I'll be explaining in another video. So the double top strategy, double bottom strategy, I'll be explaining that in another video. So for this purpose of video, it was for you to know when to buy, not when to sell. So here, if I click that top right bottom at my right, as like a plus sign, is going to take me to this what I see here. So I'll first of all execute this trade. This one I won't change this. I'll execute the trade in this particular time frame here. I'm using a loss size of 1. So if I place a sell here, let's hold on and see what. Yeah, I've placed a sell. So let's see what the trade will give us. I've placed a sell. Then if I come back again to this particular point and I go back here, I want to change now to a smaller loss size that will be appreciable. I will put, let me put it 0.01. Yeah, I want to put to 0.01 because it's very important. Let me explain something here. So you see the loss size here is 0.01. So from 1 to 0.01. Remember I said 1 is a standard loss size and 0.01 is a micro loss size. There is also a mini loss size called 0.01. Because on the purpose of this video, it was not for you to know all those things, it was for you to know when to buy or when to sell. I'll be explaining that in another video. But better still, you can check my videos on how to calculate loss sizes, and you can also check my video on Sanbuin Forex loss of Forex trading. Sanbuin Forex loss of Forex trading. No, Sanbuin loss of Forex trading. Yes, you can check my videos on that. I already document them. So what you observe here is that all, for instance, USD JPY 0.01 sell and USJPY 1 loss size. You see that the move are not the same. They move are not the same. The one with 1 is moving faster than the one with 0.01. So it means that if you are trading and you don't know these things, you will not make profit. Or if you trade, you may make risks and you may lose all your account or you may blow all your account. So the next aspect there, EuroCAD 1 EuroCAD, the one EuroCAD buy, the one we won, is moving faster than EuroCAD buy with 0.01. So you see the moves are this, the moves are different. Generally, when you see those red signals, it means that you are making a loss. This is a demo account I just uploaded for you for the purpose of this video. But when you trade, you see we have traded on a higher time frame. We have to give the market time to move. It's a higher time frame, so we have to give the market time to move. I hope you understand. We have to really give the market time to move so that we because many people do errors and trade forex trading and just want to they want to withdraw at that particular same time. That's why forex market is patient. It may take 1 hour, it may take 15 minutes, it may take 5 minutes, it may take 10 minutes, it may take whatsoever kind of time. Let's wait our market, let's just be patient for profit to start entering. Remember, we are using a longer time frame. We are not using a smaller time frame that we'll be talking of intra withdrawal. It can take, for instance, 5 minutes for the market to move and be in a favor. But remember, if it was a demo account already, you are making a loss of all the things you see red. Negative means it's a loss. So that's why you have to watch my video on how to calculate loss size, not to make these errors. If you are doing these errors, you should be rest assured that at least you have studied the market and you have analyzed the market. Because remember, the one with let's take USJPY sell 0.01, you're going to understand that the market is moving 0.27. You're making loss of negative 0.27, negative 0.25, that kind of stuff. And compared to the one with standard loss size, you're making a loss of negative $22. Those are dollars. That's dollars. I don't know what dollars means in your local currency, but convert that to your local currency, it should be much money. And EuroCAD buy one, you see it's moving negative 23, and EuroCAD buy 0.01 moving negative 0.25. All those things I explain them in the video titled how to calculate loss sizes. You can check it, and you can also check it in my video in the video I documented concerning my loss of forex trading. So the market has to move sometime. We're not going to force the market, but we have made the right strategy, or have made the best strategy, and with this one we are sure that the market is going to hit our target. So if this video has I know by now you should know when to buy, you know when to sell. So hit the subscribe button, so that when the next video comes out, you'll be the first to be notified. Also, comment, leave all your comment in the comment section, like, share, hit the notification button, and don't forget to join my Telegram community, Sanguine Forex. I will drop a link in the description so that you can join my Telegram community. Remember, I do upload, I give out free signals free of charge. What I want is for you to be profitable. So I will leave the link in the description section so that you can join, and I will leave a link of a broker that I use, so that if you want to start forex trading, you can do that. Remember, forex trading has to do with a trading engine called MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, then a broker which actually gives you a live trading account where you take it and link it to this broker, link to your trading machine. All right, the trade is still moving. The trade is still moving. We will not force the market. So I will end here for today. See you in our next video. I hope this trading has been inspirational. Peace out. The next section of this video, this was to show you how the trading went. So this is what we see now. You observe that the market has started to move. This was the first trade for EuroCAD. If you observe from the 1 hour time frame, we are going to say the market has started moving. Just imagine the new line coming in blue. Just imagine that few move. You can imagine what the market is showing you here. So you can see the market. We have already made so far $78 so far. I don't know what $78 means to you in your local currency, but that's just as much money that you can do. It hasn't taken up to about 10 minutes. You can see you are making kind of huge money. So you see the market has started moving. If you want, let's take to 30 minutes and see. You see 30-minute time frame, the market is moving. 15-minute time, you see the market has started moving. And let's take 5 minutes. The market, you see the market has started moving, right? The market has started moving. And imagine this is 5-minute time frame. Let's take 1 minute time frame and see. So this is 1 minute time frame. You see the market has moved. The market has moved in 1 minute time frame and in 5-minute time frame. So the lesson you learn here is that always execute your trade using higher time frames, and you come to lower time frame and look for trading opportunities. That's why I always execute my trade in 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, and lowest 1 minute lowest 4 hour time frame, and minimum 1 hour time frame. So the market is still moving. Imagine this is a 1 hour time frame. The market has just moved. Has just moved few pips. Yeah, we call pips. If you don't know what pips is, check my video on how to calculate pips. You'll be clarified. So this the profit we're making now. You see we're in deep profit. Let me take the currency pair USDJPY and see the analysis. So you see, even the USDJPY, you see the market has begun to sell. It has begun to go short. The market has begun to go short. You can see there. So the market has begun to go short. You can see the beginning of a new red line which is beginning to fall. The market has begun to sell. For instance, okay, let's confirm in a 4 hour time frame. Let's confirm in this a 30-minute time frame. In 30-minute time frame, let's see what it gives. So you see the market has begun to sell from a 30-minute time frame. I hope you understand. The market has begun to sell. Let's see from a 5-minute time interval. You see the market has been selling from a 5-minute time interval, and this market which is selling, normally for my prediction, the market must reach this point here. How we understand, it must reach this particular point here. Seeing it is here from this top, it's going to come down to this bottom here. Yeah, that's my prediction. And imagine if already at this particular point we're making money. Imagine what would be if the market arrives at this particular point. we are in money. That's trading. That's what trading can give you. If you make the right skills, you make huge money. You make the wrong skills, you are going to lose much money. So had it been we place this trade in a when we did not when it was not time for us to trade, we are going to losing money. Remember the first trade we placed, we were in a huge loss. So for this trade, if you want, remember our balance up there is our balance here. Our balance is 99,983, right? That is our balance there. I hope you can see the balance. All right, let me see again the balance. The balance there is 99.983. So if those are the balance, so if this was a live account and trading account, you want to collect your money, you can just come and place on it. You take a long hold and you're going to open, then you take just take a press, take any currency pair, you press, you take a long hold, right? You're going to take close order, you take close. Order has been closed. You see your balance up there, your balance has changed. You now have 100 and something. So if you like, you can close all the trade. Let me close which one makes sense again here more. So as soon as you make more money, you can close your trade. I hope you understand. You can close your trade and secure profit. Remember that I just closed some trade here. I don't want to close this one since they are just few. It's just few. So you're made about 100 about $70 something just between 3 seconds after doing the right analysis. That is what forex trading is all about. Trading the right skills at the right times, using the right technical analysis. Like I said, these things I give to you costing more than millions for me to master these things, for me to give you these things. But by the way, I want you to be profitable. So hit the subscribe button, share, like, comment, and leave all your comment in the comment section. Alright, stay tuned and see you for our next comment video. Peace out.